I just want to take a few minutes to talk about cross products. This will help you with your homework assignment. So if we look at just the unit vectors, we can have different situations. You can have I hat cross I hat. You can have I hat cross j hat. And then you have I hat cross k hat. And then we can have j hat cross I hat, j hat cross j hat, and j hat cross k hat. And then we have k hat cross I hat, k hat cross j hat, and k hat cross k hat. Now, it turns out that if you do I hat cross I hat, that's equal to 0. J hat cross j hat is equal to 0. And k hat cross k hat is also equal to 0. And now we can come up with some of these factors to figure out which direction our vector is going to be going. And in this case, whenever things are in alphabetical order, you have I, J, K, and we're going to do a round robin. So I to J, J to K, K to I. When it's in the clock and in this direction, it's positive. So if I have I, J, then it's going to be K hat. So I hat cross K hat, or I hat cross J hat is K hat. J hat cross K hat is I hat. And let's see, we have one more that we need. That's backwards. Oh, K hat cross I hat. There we go. That's J hat. And now, if I go in the opposite direction, then it's going to be negative. So I hat cross K hat is equal to minus J hat. J hat cross I hat is equal to minus K hat. And K hat cross J hat is equal to a minus I hat. So these are all of the terms that you will need to know for combinations of the unit vectors. Now the other thing that you need to know, let's say I have a I hat cross B1 I hat plus B2 J hat plus B3 K hat. Well, to find this, I'm going to distribute this cross product inside. So I'm going to have a I hat cross B1 I hat plus a I hat cross product with B2 J hat plus a I hat plus B3 K hat. And when I do my reference up here, well, I hat and I hat is 0. I hat cross j hat, well, that's I hat cross j hat is this one right here. So that's going to be plus a b2 k hat. And then I have I hat cross k hat. Should be a cross there. So I and k is going to be a minus a b3 j hat. And let me give you one more example. In this case, I'm going to go take and put this cross product through. So I'm going to have C j hat cross D1 I hat. Order is important. Because this is out in front, it has to go first. So order is important. Okay, so there's all my cross products. And now I have j cross I. So j cross I is minus k. So I'm going to have a minus c d1 k hat. J hat and j hat is 0. And j hat k hat is in the I direction. So I'm going to have plus c d3 I hat. So this is how to use the vectors and the cross products when you're doing your problem in the homework.